Hello, and welcome to Employee Attendance Management, alias EAM video tutorials. This tutorial describes how an employee view and manage their assigned tasks or projects. When the employee is signed in, for them to see their assigned tasks or projects, they would select the My Tasks option on the side menu bar. The employee's task assignment list is initially displayed as card views. You can switch to a line items list view by checking the Toggle List View checkbox. You can search by any column in the search field. And you can also sort by columns by ascending or descending by clicking the toggle on the column header. When the Clear Filter checkbox is checked, it will display all tasks regardless of the status. As an employee progresses through their tasks, they may need to track and indicate their progress completion, which their manager can also see, such as in the Attention list, in Progress Tasks section. Click the View section on the card view for the respective task. Or the line item in the list view to make edits, such as the Progress Completion field, status of the project in the Status field, possibly changing the target date if it cannot be met, and setting the date completion when the task has been completed. Click the Save button when edits are completed. And that's it for this tutorial. Goodbye for now.